up, I'm going to show you how to play Candy on acoustic guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. So you can play this song with 3 chords in standard tuning. The chords you'll need are 4-6-6, 1-3-3, and 8-10-10. So the keep that candy part goes from 4-6-6 to 8-10-10. So it's 1-2-3, 1-2-3, 4-5. 1-2-3-4-5-6-7-8. And the I'm in my head again part just goes from 4-6-6 down to 1-3-3. I'm in my head. Just like that. So there's really 2 parts.